In this video, I will be analyzing the under 3.5 goals betting option. This is my second favorite market. Like I said, you can make a lot from soccer trading by mastering the art of analyzing the over 1.5 and under 3.5 goals options. Under 3.5 betting refers to a type of soccer betting where you predict that the total number of goals in a match will be under 3. If the total score is 3 or fewer, you win the bet. If it's 4 or more, you lose. So, one thing you obviously need to know before you consider a match fit for under 3.5, even before form analysis is, if the match is between a big team and a weak team, you have to make sure that the big team can only score a maximum of 2 against the weaker team. And for the weaker team, you want to ensure that they can't score at all, and if they should score at all, the maximum is 1 goal. For example, in a game between Torino and Juventus, on a normal outing, predicting under 3.5 for matches between a big team and a weaker one always has the value odds. The second scenario to go for under 3.5 is in games between 2 big teams that are close in strength but defensively sound. For example, games between Man City versus Arsenal this season, and the third kind you should take note of if you want to have more successful under 3.5 bets is matches between 2 mid-table teams that are close in strength but struggle to score goals. This one is the easiest in my opinion. Now, to demonstrate how to analyze under 3.5 goals, I will be using this match between Valencia and Rayo Vallecano in La Liga. Normally, my favorite football leagues for this analysis are the Italian Serie A and La Liga because they are easier to analyze. The Bundesliga is great for over goals, while the EPL and the French league are a little bit unpredictable for me. This is just my opinion. Now, back to our football update app, let's first go to the league table. This is where we are going to know how both teams have been doing so far this season in terms of goal scoring and defending. Using our regular method of dividing the total number of goals scored so far by the number of games played to find the average goal. We divide 37 by 34, and Valencia's average goal will be 1.1, which means their average goal this season is just a little bit over 1 goal per game, which is good. Using the same division for their goals against, it's approximately going to give us 1.1 also. Now we know that they've produced 1 goal scored and 1 conceded per game. As for Rayo Vallecano, they have an average of 0.79 goals per game, which is less than 1 goal per game, and they also concede an average of 1.3 goals per game, which is great. Please note that you can skip this league table analysis if you want and just move on to the previous matches and current form section, but this table section is important because we want to know how they've been performing to be more confident. Next, to the previous match section. As you can see, their last 8 matches have also produced under 3 goals. Like I said, previous matches aren't everything, but when a regular pattern can be drawn from the previous matches, it is reassuring. Now to the most important one, which is the present form from last 5 or 3 games. As for Valencia, their last 5 matches have produced less than 4 goals or under 3.5, while Rayo Vallecano have only 2 goals in 5 matches, and they've conceded just 1 goal per game in all 5 on average. The main point is, all 5 previous matches ended with under 3.5 goals. With this analysis, I'm at least 90% confident that this match could end in under 3 goals or even lower, and at the end of this match, the result was 0-0. I wasn't even expecting this. Please do not rely solely on form. Try to read the team news to know if important players are absent and make sure you understand the intent of both teams or what they aim to achieve. This will be covered in the next video. You can use this under 3.5 analysis for international games as well, and it could even be useful when the European football season is over, to analyze other games in South America and Asia leagues. If you have any video ideas for us, please write them in the comment section.